AI failures rarely start with the model. Welcome to this explainer on why your dataset is the real danger.
Back in 2020, over 15,000 UK COVID cases literally vanished. Why? An old spreadsheet hit its row limit. Get this, JPMorgan lost $6 billion because a manual spreadsheet divided by a sum instead of an average.
So we really need to shift our mindset from garbage in, garbage out to bias in, bias amplified.
Take Amazon's old AI recruiter. It actively penalized resumes mentioning women simply because historical training data skewed heavily male.
Right. So how do we actually prevent these disasters? We need 4 distinct, totally actionable pillars of data governance.
Quality, documentation, access control, and bias mitigation. Together, these form the ultimate framework to stop catastrophic failures.
First up, quality at the source. Before any feature engineering starts, you've got to interrogate your dataset's actual fitness. Ask yourself, is it totally accurate? Is it missing key context? And is it truly representative of reality? Manual audits just don't scale. You've got to treat data validation exactly like you would software unit tests. Pillar 2 is documentation. Teams should use standard datasheets for datasets to track origin, limits, and legal rights.
Tracking data lineage step by step through its lifecycle helps prevent subtle errors and satisfies strict new AI regulations.
Pillar 3, access control. Use least privilege controls so only a tiny fraction can access sensitive internal records.
Broad internal access causes massive breaches. Just look at the Cambridge Analytica scandal that cost hundreds of millions.
Ditch the quick local CSV downloads, mandate secure sandboxes, and strictly enforce automated deletion schedules for stale data.
Finally, bias detection. If your training dataset is skewed, your AI will faithfully learn and amplify those prejudices.
You must define acceptable representation thresholds and maximum metric gaps way before the model ever starts its training. But remember, fancy technical metrics and tools can absolutely never replace human domain expertise and real lived experience.
And hey, even synthetic data isn't a magic bullet. It requires the exact same validation as real-world data.
So, I'll leave you with this. Are your own datasets quietly baking historical bias into your future decisions?